Hey, what's up, guys? Nick White here, tech and coding stuff on Twitch and YouTube. That's what I do. And Patreon, if you give me $1, you get access to my study guides and any resources that I post on there from time to time. So please do that if you can. Thank you very much. And this is arithmetic operators. Read 2 integers from standard input and print 3 lines. This is Python. We're doing all the Python problems. 2 integers are given to us through standard input. Down here we see A and B. The first line contains the sum of the 2 numbers. Task is to read this and print the sum of the 2 numbers. The second line is the difference of the 2 numbers. The third line is the product of the 2 numbers. So it already takes them in as integers, and it already had that set up for us. So pretty easy if you ask me. It looks like all we have to do is print A plus B. So that's how to add in Python, a plus symbol, just like any other language. A minus B, same as any other language. And the product is A times B. So really, really difficult stuff in this one. The last one was harder. If else statement's pretty tough there. This one was a joke. So thank you for watching. Hope you knew what multiplication, addition, and subtraction were. All right, thank you. On to the next one. See you guys.